Okay, hello, welcome. This is me, Alice, right there. We're just leaving my lips up right now. But we're about to do that peachy eye look that you just saw. We're just going to start by priming our face with the Benefit Porefessional primer I've had forever. Just going over anywhere where I have larger pores. And then we're going to do our foundation with the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation, which I've had, again, forever. I've probably used this foundation since I was like 14. And it's amazing. I really like it. It works really well for me. That's all I've got to say on it. It matches my skin tone, and I've never had any reason to change it really. But we're going to mix that with the Huda Beauty foundation, or Huda Beauty. Every time, I don't know how to say it, alright. Don't judge me. But we're just going to put that anywhere where I want more coverage, or anywhere where I want it a little bit lighter to highlight. As I got this in Milkshake, which is so light. Oh my goodness. I thought I was the palest person, but it turns out there are people paler. And then we're going to just do our concealer and cover any dark circles with the Revolution Cosmetics Conceal and Define concealer, which is amazing, as you may know. I get that in shade 0.5. I would get C1, but in Superdrug it is a fucking mess and they never have anything in stock, so I don't get much choice in the matter. Then we're going to do our contour with the cream contour from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, we're really going in there on that left side there. But yeah, I just do my cheeks and my jaw and my forehead, as you're about to see. It looks amazing. So good. And you're done. There you go. But we just blend that in really gently with the damp beauty sponge as well. We really want this looking nice and diffused. None of those dark, harsh lines that we got going on right now. We just pat that in. You know the drill. Pat, pat, pat. Until it looks nice and soft. And then we're just going to powder our under eyes with this Mio Cosmetics powder that I have. It is not the best, but it's cheap as fuck, so who cares? Then we're adding a bronzer, which is also cheap as fuck, and I'm pretty sure that's from Mio Cosmetics as well. Then we're using this old ass blush. Oh my god, it's so old. Please do not judge me. And there's the money shot. There we are. We're doing our highlighter. Look at that. I'm a professional. And I got that brush recently and I was so excited because it's fucking amazing. Oh my god. I might actually throw up a picture of what my old brush used to look like that I did my eyebrows with. But it is fuzzy. Fuzzy as fuck. You could not get a straight line out of the bitch. But yeah, this one has a sharp like edge, so you can do individual strokes, and has a little spoolie on the end, because I was using a free like spoolie from Lush, if you've ever been in there. They have little free spoolies for like testing and stuff. But I also, a change from my last video, I'm doing I'm outlining my brows with the same concealer I used as before, and then just blending that out so it's not a harsh line. So I have like a nice sharp edge, and then I'm using my NYX Control Freak brow gel, which I fucking love as well. It's amazing. I was using a really old ass one before this, and it's changed my life. I now like spike my brows up like crazy. I really like having like spiked up brows. Look at that. We're looking fine. Now we're going to move on to eyes, and we're going to use the Modern Renaissance palette and just take, I think, the burnt orange shade and just blend that out as our transition colour. And then use this Coastal Scents palette that is also so old. Oh my god, I need some new makeup. But we're just going to put that in the crease, and that's what really gives us like the peach look. This is like the perfect peach shade, and it blends really well as well, so Coastal Scents, you got me. Then we're using Snowberry from my like little custom Nabla. Oh, you got some fallout there. There you go, girl. And then we're just going to put that over our lid as the like inner and outer third colours. And then we're putting Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette in the center to give that like halo shine, the illusion that we've got big ass eyes. Just blending that in, blending that across. And then we're putting, oh my god, how many times am I going to say this? I've got such old ass makeup. That is like something I got for Christmas years ago. But anyway, it's like a cream eyeshadow that I use in my inner corners. I'm using the same transition colours and the Snowberry shade and the same cream thing. Oh my god, I'm going to get conjunctivitis. But we just put that along the lower lash line. And then I'm using a Primark peach eyeliner, which I love, along my waterline. And then I'm just adding the same peach shade I used as eyeshadow on the outer third of my waterline. And now we're just adding some liquid eyeliner in a nice wing shape, my favorite. Oh my goodness, it was a hot day when I was filming this. It was the height of the British heat wave, which was basically the entire summer this year. There we are, just finishing up. And then we're just gonna do our mascara with our Dior Show Iconic Mascara and adding that on the top and the bottom of our lashes. And then we're doing tight lining. Oh my goodness. Sorry, just really getting that black kohl pencil up and our upper waterline. And now we're doing our lashes, so you can see the fear in my eyes. There it is, it's on. We're gluing that bitch down. We're gluing her down real good. Getting my fingers in there, pinching it onto my actual lashes, which is a good method, making them stick. Adding some liquid eyeliner along the lash band to just really make it blend in. Then we're just gonna do some setting spray. Ooh, goodness, that first spray always gets me. And then I think we're on to lips next. Just dry that down. We're using our Hourglass sample lipstick, 'cause you know I ain't about to spend that much money on a lipstick. But it is amazing. It's actually one of my faves. I might have to buy it when I run out. It's such a little nub now. Oh, single tear. Then we're gonna do our lip gloss with the Buxom lip gloss, which has like plumping stuff in it. I don't know what the hell it is, but it feels really tingly and smells like coffee. I really love it. This was in the same little sample box. But I rubbed that together, the last little smack, and you're done. You're looking fabulous. You're looking peachy. Cue the music.